before I can do nesting boxes, I actually have to find the space that they go in because they're pretty tightly custom fit. So I also had to do nailers because the side panels have to go on, you know, to enclose it as a coop. So there's nailers up there and nailers down here. And then you have to build the platforms. There's one platform that becomes an access door here, and then the platform for the nesting boxes is back here. And all the way around it's just, you know, this and this and this and this until you finally get to the point of the project. So let's take a look at what we've got so far and go to the shop and build the pieces that we need to make it work. In the last video clip that the access door didn't work smoothly. That's because the Coop is a little cockeyed. So I fixed it by readjusting one of the cross members. But at this point I need to do the nesting boxes, and it's going to be integrated into the storage space for the feed bin with boxes on either side. And this is all prototype and guessing, and I'm going to try to use up leftover materials, which is, you know, some 1x2s and some milled out sticks. And I got to make boxes that are like 12 inches by 12 inches by, well, some websites say it could be 15, 16 inches deep. I don't know. So I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to film, and I may just take pictures of what finally worked out. I've already got a fair amount of throwaway stuff. So we shall see what we shall see when I try to make boxes out of plywood and sticks. Well, didn't get very good footage on that last assembling the face frames to the boxes. Operator error. But that's about it for this video. Next time we're going to do permanent installations because obviously nothing's fastened down yet, and we're doing some prototyping here about lids and covers, and next time we're going to cover it all up and install this stuff. So see ya, and as always,